According to a Pentagon official and a Harvard scientist, there is speculation that a lurking alien mothership may exist in our solar system, utilizing small probes referred to as dandelion seeds, to observe and investigate the planets within. The idea has been put forth in a preliminary research paper by the Harvard scientist and the head of the Pentagon's UFO office. They suggest that an extraterrestrial spaceship could plausibly be present in our galactic vicinity, employing these dandelion seed probes, which are capable of collecting and transmitting information akin to the spacecraft used by humans for planetary exploration. Avi Loeb, an astronomer from Harvard University, and Sean M. Kirkpatrick, director of the Pentagon's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, AARO, released the draft paper titled Physical Constraints on Unidentified Aerial Phenomena on March 7. Although it is not an official Pentagon document, it was conducted in collaboration with the Department of Defense, DoD. The paper has not yet undergone peer review. Avi Loeb is renowned for his research on Oumuamua, an interstellar object that visited our solar system from beyond. Initially identified as a comet in 2017, its peculiar characteristics, such as its elongated shape and the absence of a coma, the cloud of gases surrounding a comet, along with its acceleration away from the Sun, prompted Loeb to suggest that Oumuamua was actually an alien spaceship. Loeb's curiosity was piqued by a small interstellar meteor, known as IM-2, that collided with Earth approximately 6 months before Oumuamua's close approach. Although unrelated to Oumuamua, this event led Loeb to consider the possibility of an artificial interstellar object functioning as a parent craft, releasing numerous small probes during its proximity to Earth. He described this operational concept as being similar to NASA missions. The separation of these dandelion seeds from the parent craft could occur due to the tidal gravitational force of the Sun or through maneuvering capabilities. In their draft paper, Loeb and Kirkpatrick examined unidentified anomalous phenomena, UAPs, the government's preferred term for UFOs, within the constraints of known physics. The authors proposed that the dandelion seed probes, being too small to reflect sufficient sunlight for survey telescopes to detect, could reach Earth for exploration without being observed by astronomers. They suggest equipping these probes with a large surface-to-mass ratio parachute to facilitate deceleration in Earth's atmosphere and enable pursuit of their objectives upon landing. The authors propose that alien civilizations would likely be interested in exploring rocky planets with atmospheres within our solar system. From a distance, Venus, Earth, and Mars would appear appealing, with Earth being of particular interest once signs of liquid water are detected. The alien civilization responsible for creating these probes would not need to be present on the mothership, and it would be unlikely for them to establish communication with the probes. It is even possible that the alien civilization no longer exists. Most stars in the galaxy formed billions of years before our Sun, suggesting that a habitable planet with intelligent life could have been sending out probes long before Earth's formation. Loeb compares this search to checking our mailbox for accumulated packages over time, even if the senders are no longer alive. Since initially proposing that Oumuamua was an alien spaceship, Loeb has faced criticism from the scientific community. In 2019, a perspective article published in Nature Astronomy criticized the idea as provocative and baseless, suggesting that Oumuamua was simply an unusually shaped rock that happened to wander into our solar system. Additionally, a letter published in the journal Astronomy and Astrophysics in 2021 dismissed the alien spacecraft theory based on the impracticalities of interstellar travel and the extensive timescales involved. Furthermore, a study published on March 22, 2023, explained Oumuamua's peculiar movements as a likely result of hydrogen off-gassing, further challenging the notion of it being an alien spacecraft. However, the Pentagon has recently shown renewed interest in investigating unidentified objects in U.S. airspace. Since the establishment of the AARO last summer, the office has initiated over 360 new investigations into reported encounters with UAPs by U.S. military personnel. While about half of these encounters have been explained as balloons or balloon-like entities, the other half lack sufficient data for conclusive resolution. Thanks for watching.